In this video, I am going to show you how to activate Gmail in Google Workspace. Firstly, you need to add Gmail MX records in cPanel. Firstly, go to your hosting provider cPanel login and enter your credentials. Now scroll to the Domains section, then click on Zone Editor. Find your domain name and click Manage next to it. At the top, click MX to only show mail exchange records. Click Delete next to any existing MX entries and confirm the deletion in the pop-up. Now click the plus Add Record and use the following for each entry. To activate Gmail in Workspace, go to admin.google.com. Use your admin account to sign in, then click Account, then Domains, then Manage Domains. Click Activate Gmail next to your domain, then select Set up MX Records, then click Next. Check the boxes to confirm email setup and scroll down, then click Activate Gmail. Once verified, your domain status will show verified and Gmail will be activated.